In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache in TradingView to fix chart issues. If your charts have been slow to load, indicators aren't updating, or you're seeing odd visual glitches, a quick cache reset inside TradingView often resolves it. Think of the cache as temporary files the site stores to speed things up. Over time, those files can get out of sync with live data. Clearing them gives the platform a clean slate without touching your saved layouts or watch lists. First, head to the TradingView website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, we'll jump straight into the charting experience. Hover over or click the products menu near the top, then choose Supercharts. This opens the full featured chart workspace where we can access the settings we need. If you don't immediately see Supercharts, don't worry. The option may appear after the menu expands. Supercharts is simply TradingView's advanced chart, so opening it ensures you're in the right place for performance-related settings. With the chart open, move to the top left corner of the screen and open your profile menu. Depending on your setup, this might look like your avatar or initials. From that menu, select App Settings. Inside the Settings panel, find the section labeled Service. This is where TradingView groups tools related to performance and maintenance. Click Clear Cache. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and accept. The platform may briefly refresh as it removes outdated local files. After the cache is cleared, your charts should reload cleanly. Give the chart a moment to pull fresh data, then pan around, switch timeframes, or open an indicator to confirm everything is responsive. This process doesn't change your account data. It simply removes temporary files on your device so the site can rebuild them correctly. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you work with many symbols or custom indicators, allow a few extra seconds for the first load after clearing the cache. That initial rebuild is normal and only happens once. Also, if you had several tabs open, focus on the tab where you performed the reset and let it finish reloading before moving on. And that's it. You've cleared the cache from within TradingView using the Supercharts workspace, which is one of the quickest ways to fix slow or buggy charts. If this helped, you're ready to get back to your analysis with a smoother, more accurate charting experience.